Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I clean the oil that is used before reusing it to avoid it from turning black or getting burnt. Here you can see I've already kept the oil to turn hot. I'm going to heat it until it is medium hot. Then I'm going to mix 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour with water to make a thin corn slurry. I'm going to whisk it well to make sure there are no lumps formed in this slurry. Now I'm going to add the slurry into the oil. Make sure the oil is medium hot and the corn slurry is thin. The corn slurry is going to absorb all the particles or the residue that is there in the oil because of its sticky content or the sticky texture that it has. Once you see the corn slurry has all moved up on the top of the oil, remove it with a drainer or with a strainer. If you feel the oil quantity is more, you can repeat the process and you will have clean oil without a strainer. Now you can see the oil is turned clean. I hope you found this tip helpful. Do subscribe to my channel for more tips.